Okay, papasok pa lang ulit. Time check 5:19 PM. So balitaan namin kayo kung what time kami makakapark. Hi! Pupunta kami ngayon sa airport para sunduin si Tita Demi. Ito nga pala ang aming driver, Steve Dems. At ito si Tita Trish.
Hi!
Dems and Rio.
Yay!
We're going to...
The airport of the International Philippines.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Let's go!
Going to the airport!
All I wanna love for Christmas, there is just one thing I need, and I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just wanna pour my love, all that you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Oh baby, all I want for Christmas is you.
Yay! Dems turn.
No.
Dems turn.
No.
Why?
Oh, that's
Skibidi
not gonna
toilet.
stop.
Skibidi toilet.
Skibbity tap tap tap. This is skibbity tap. Ah!
We're now at NLEX going to Naiya International Airport.
Wow.
Sana walang traffic.
Airport.
Airport.
Tree.
Okay guys, you sleep pa. You sleep muna. Para pagdating natin sa airport, fully charged kayo. O, go sleep. Close your eyes.
No.
Close your eyes.
No.
Look at Kuya.
Dems, too fat.
Kuya Rio. Too bad. Kuya Rio.
Oo.
So, time check 4:07 PM. Papunta na tayo sa Skyway, 200 meters. Pero napaka-traffic ata paakyat. No. No driver.
Yeah, traffic.
Ang dami atang taong pupuntang Skyway ngayon. Parang magkakasino ah. Parang City of Dreams to ah.
Line up, wala ka.
So nag-decide ang isang driver namin na hindi na kami akit ng Skyway.
Daddy, going to the super. Wait, Daddy, going to the big supermarket.
No, we're going to the airport.
Oh,
We're gonna get dinner.
Madami.
Oh,
Sheesh.
haba ng traffic. Oh, papuntang Skyway, Sunday. Grabe. O may aksidente siguro. Walang traffic din.
Ano, gusto ko?
Pasok mo na para hindi tayo mahirapan. Pero bawal na itong ginagawa natin.
We just
Traffic
took a shortcut, right, Daddy?
Hindi traffic. Meron na tarong ano.
Tollgate.
Sige, pasok mo. Skyway entry. Oo, one way lang. Kaya traffic. Parang nililinis ata. Oo, sa entrance lang. So, pakit na kami ng Skyway. Siguro mga 30 minutes lang nasa airport na tayo. Naiya 3.
Land
No?
Cruiser.
Okay. Balik tayo guys sa pag nasa Naiya na kami. Okay, bye.
he's going to.
Traffic down there.
Traffic dito. Traffic din sa baba. Wow. Welcome to Manila. Okay, papasok pa lang ulit. Time check. 5:19 PM. So, balitaan namin kayo kung what time kami makakapark. Okay, time check. It's 5:28. Kakapark lang namin.
Let me see.
Okay. Punta na kami sa loob ng NAIA. Okay, bye. Say hi.
I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry.
.30 pa dating yung Tita Rose. So, tatambay muna kami. Daming tao. So, yung nag-aabang.
I got it.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Jollibee kasi mga gutom ang mga bata. Kakain muna kami. So, walang parking ang eroplano. Kanina pang 6:20 dumating. Mat time na. Diba? So, mag-8 na. Wala pa rin. Ayan na ang kapitan ng eroplano, pero ang pasahero wala pa rin. Grabe. Ganda ng ngiti niya, oh. Hi, welcome to Philippines, Tita Rose. Grabe, tagal ng flight mo, ha?
Delay.
Oh, say hi.
Hi!
Hi to the vlog.
Your vlog daw muna. Hi! No, you! Hi, vlog ni Rio! Ledeps!
Time check, 8:45. Ngayon pala kami pa uwi. Grabe, pagod. Sobra. O, ito. Hi, Tita Rose!
Hi, Tita Rose.
Ay, Tita Trish, oh, pagod na. Pagod na si Tita Trish. Tita Rose, welcome back.
Give us food, Tita Rose.
Okay, bye-bye na. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye!